and welcome to the installation video for the NextSTEP Minus1U patch panel. The Minus1U consolidates fiber management and active equipment into a 1U rack of space in any 19-inch rack or frame. This will effectively save or free up 1U of rack space in any installation. Each Minus1U panel comes with an installation sheet illustrating all the including mounting accessories that come with the product. Now to mount the panel, let's have a closer look. First, partially screw in the bottom 2 mounting screws in the appropriate location on the rack. Next, rest the bottom open holes of the mounting bracket onto the screws. Proceed to completely fasten the remaining top screws and repeat the same for the bottom 2 screws. Now the tray comes equipped with rubber mats along with a fastening strap to secure an active equipment in place. Now to loosen the strap, pull the outer loop to your desired length. And pull the inner tab to tighten the strap, as shown here. Use the tie wrap bridges that are on the strain relief bracket to anchor your incoming cable. Leave approximately 45 centimeters of cable slack from the anchoring point. For splicing, please refer to the NextSTEP loaded patch module for instructions. Next, open the magnetic door and place the identification label on the inside in the appropriate orientation, shown here. The NextSTEP Minus1U comes with additional brackets that can be attached to the sides of the Alcatel 7210 SASD switch, shown here. Additionally, the panel comes with a 23-inch extender mounting bracket that can easily be mounted using screws, shown in this example. For mounting the panel onto a wall, first ensure that the panel is in the upright position. You can now utilize the mounting holes highlighted here in these 2 examples. As an alternative, you may also refer to the included installation sheet for assembly best practices. The Wirewerks Minus1U patch panel can be adapted to fit different switch modules. Contact your Wirewerks sales representative to verify the availability of the model specifically designed for your switch. Now that concludes the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, or for more information, you can visit our website at www.wirewerks.com.